tropical savanna, there's a diverse amount of animals, which most of the herbivores are mammals that graze off the land. They eat grabs or they get their nutrients from the trees and stuff. Most of them include hoofed animals like gazelle, antelope, zebras, and giraffes.
Previously, we also talked about how most of the animals in the savannah were hoofed, but then we didn't really say why. So the thing is that since the savannah is such a huge place, the hooves help them with travel. If you had paws or something like that, it'd probably be a lot harder because the ground is dry, and they actually, the animals actually migrate throughout the year to find water or food, like different grazing areas. And another adaptation of these hoofed animals is that they travel in packs, because the predators, for a more specific example for a hoofed animal, would be the giraffe. The giraffe, again, is a herd animal. They travel in groups, and they migrate from area to area looking for food and water. The thing about the giraffe is, as we all know, they have really long necks. The reason is that the kind of leaves they eat are tall on the tree. Now, different animals then eat different parts of plants. So like you would have like a split of niches. So like a giraffe would eat the leaves on the top of the tree, an elephant would eat somewhere along the middle, and then you have like a wildebeest who would eat the grass at the bottom of the tree. So you have this, I guess you say, leveling of food, so they don't compete, everybody's happy, and the populations stay maintained, and everybody's living. Just general species diversification. You gotta have predators. Now predators generally don't have hooves. They just have paws, and just like our, I guess you say, like our feet. So the reason is that they actually don't travel very much. They're not long distance animals. They're sprinters. They track down a herd, and then they sprint one of them down. They isolate them, and then they jump on them. So the thing is that they have to have paws, because that helps them be stealthy. If you have hooves, you're like flopping around everywhere and making noise. But the thing is that the predators are very stealthy. They're quiet, so it helps them chase them down. It helps them get the jump. It helps that predators get the jump on the hoofed animals, so they can, eat them. An example, I guess, would be a lion, cheetah, hyenas, stuff like that. Alright, expanding on the plants of the tropical savanna, one of them would be the African bush willow. The thing about the African bush willow is that, as you notice, they're very green. So the way their leaves are made is that they retain water throughout the year because they're evergreen. The leaves don't drop, so that helps save the water. Another thing is that they're very fire resistant. Just the way the bark is made just makes them resistant to the fires that happen every once in a while during the hot season. The final plant of the tropical savanna we're going to be talking to you about today is the kangaroo paw, obviously part of Australia because kangaroo. So one of their adaptations is that their roots go extremely deep underground. They're thicker, they're stronger, they go deeper into the ground, so they're able to tap more of the water, like deeper into the ground, like aquifers and stuff like that, and also helps get as much nutrients as possible out of the nutrient-poor soil.